Are you an option buyer and struggling to make money from the market? Then this video is for you. Watch the video till the end. This particular option scalping strategy we are going to see in the options chart, not in the spot chart. So this strategy will work for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So we will look into the rules, that is the conditions for entering into the long and short trade. Okay. Scalping is the shortest term trading method where the investors use high trading volumes to make a profit rather than trying to increase profit for each trade. Means if they enter into the scalping, they will enter into the trade and they will exit very fast. Means they will capture like 4 to 5 points and after that they will exit instead of waiting for higher profits for one trade. And they will enter into more trades in a day. Scalping utilizes small constant profit fluctuations and relies on small profit from each trade. However, the number of trade done is much higher, adding to the profits. So, retail and the professional traders will use the VWAP. Why they are using the VWAP? In order to understand the price trend, that is intraday price trend. So, we have to understand what is the volume when we are entering into the long and the short trade in order to get the momentum and in order to book the profits. VWAP typically is most useful for the short-term trends. We will enter into the trade if any green candle is giving close above the VWAP. Okay, so this green candle gave a confirmation for to enter into the long trade. So above this green candle, we will be entering into the long trade. Stop loss will be the low of the green candle. Okay, so now I will show the same in the options chart. So what is the time frame that we are going to use for this scalping? We are going to use the 3 minutes time frame for the scalping trade. Okay, so as it is scalping, we are not going to use more than 3 minutes. So what are the rules for entering into the trade? The current bullish candle should close above the previous bullish candle. This is a current bullish candle. This candle should give a close above the previous bullish candle's high and also above the VWAP. Then we can enter into the trade, that is the CE trade or the PE trade accordingly. What are the rules for entering into the trade? Candle setup should be strong. That is, candle setup should not be weak when we are entering into the long trade. When you see this green candle, we can see that there is a wick on the top. So that means there is a rejection from that particular level. Okay, so after that, when you see this green candle, this is an inverted hammer candle. So when we enter into this type of green candle, we will not get a momentum. So as an option buyer, we needed momentum. So always wait for the green candle, that is a strong candle, in order to get the momentum. Candle setup should be very strong in order to enter into the trade. So when you see this is a green candle, that is a bullish candle. So after that, when you enter into the trade, that is after the high is taken away, we can enter into the long trade. So we got the nice target in this particular trade. So always wait for the particular candle, that is a bullish candle, in order to enter into the long trade. So we are going to use this trade in the options chart and not in the spot chart. The time frame we are going to use is 3 minutes time frame. Okay, so the indicator is only one indicator we are going to use, that is the VWAP. And we are not going to change anything in the settings. Keep it as default settings. So this is Nifty 17,500 CE of 27th April expiry. So I am going to show the examples from the 24th April. So how to enter into the trade? If any green candle is giving a close above the VWAP, we can enter into the long trade. So when you see here, this is a green candle, but we can see that there is a body of the candle is below the VWAP and only wick has given close above the VWAP. Okay, so this is a weak candle. So don't take trade in this particular green candle. And when you see, this is a strong green candle, but I tell you not to take in this particular green candle. And when you see, this high of the green candle is not taken away. So we cannot enter into the long trade. So if we enter into the long trade also, stop loss will be the low of the green candle. Okay, so when you see again here, this is a red candle and only the wick is touched the VWAP. Okay, so we will not enter into the trade. Here this is also green candle, but this is an inverted hammer candle, that is a rejection candle. So we will not enter into the long trade. So we didn't get any long trade on 24th. Okay, so when you see here in this particular green candle, we got an opportunity to enter into the long trade. And when you see the 1224 candle, this is also an inverted hammer. And when you see the body of the candle didn't give close above the VWAP. So we can enter into the long trade above this green candle, that is 1227 candle. So what will be the stop loss? Stop loss will be the low of the green candle. This is the stop loss. This is a stop loss. Okay. So when you enter here, the premium is 183. The high of this green candle is 183, and once you enter into the trade, this green candle gave a target of 193. That is, you got like 10 plus points in this particular trade. After that, Nifty on that particular day, Nifty made a high of 271. So we are not going to capture all these points. We will be capturing like 5 to 6 points in the options, and we will exit the trade. So on that particular day, we got very nice trade. So we can enter into the trade whenever the price is retracing at VWAP. So we can see the next day, that is 25th April. So we can see this is a green candle. So we can enter into the long trade above this green candle. Okay. So when you see above this green candle, if you enter into the trade, the premium is 253. High of this green candle is 253. And after that, Nifty made a high of 269. Okay. So again, Nifty retraced to VWAP, and above this green candle, we can again initiate a long trade. After that, you can see that Nifty made a high of 290 plus points. Okay. From 260 to 290 plus, that is 30 plus points we got in this particular trade. So as this is a scalping, we will enter into the trade and we will exit the trade after booking the profits. Okay. And again, when you see on the same day, we got one more green candle is 1245, and we got our target also. Okay. Above this green candle, we will enter and we got the target. So we will be entering at 275, and Nifty made a high of like 302. So we will be entering into the trade, and we will be booking like 5 to 6 points in the options, and we will exit the trade. After that, we can see that the price retraced till VWAP, and we can see that 2 o'clock candle on 25th April gave a close above the VWAP. So one can enter into the long trade above this green candle, and the premium is 284 when the high of this green candle is 284, and Nifty made a high of 325 plus, that is 325 on the same day, that is at 220 we got the target. So once we enter into this green candle, we can book our profits here, and we can trail our profits according to our risk reward ratio. We can see the next example, that is a 26th April. This is a green candle that gave close above the VWAP. So if the next candle is giving a break, that is when this next candle is breaking the high of the green candle, we will be entering into the long trade. So when you see here, this green candle didn't give close above VWAP, and when you see here, this green candle, that is body is above the VWAP. So we can enter into the long trade above this green candle, and after that our target got achieved in the long trade. Okay. And for the whole day, Nifty was trading above VWAP. Okay. And when you see the next day, that is 27th April, we can see the 918 candle gave a close above VWAP. Okay. And after that, the premium here is 316. High of this green candle is 316. After that, this green candle gave the target, that is 340. Okay. So whenever the price is retracing at VWAP, we can enter into the long trade. Okay. This is the another trade, that is 1018. We can enter into the long trade. So after that, we can see this green candle, that is 1054 candle gave a close above VWAP. So we will enter into the long trade when the high of this green candle is taken away. So we can see that here we got an opportunity to enter into the long trade. Okay. So once we enter into the long trade in this green candle, we can see that this is a stop loss trade. Okay. Here. Okay, so once we enter into the long trade above this green candle, the low of this green candle is a stop loss. So we can see here the low of this green candle is 336, and here the red candle came at 332. So this is a stop loss trade. So again we got one more trade, that is at 1115 candle. So we can enter into the long trade above this green candle. So the high of this green candle is 339, and Nifty made a high of 355. So only this is a stop loss trade, and after that we got nice target, and again the Nifty that is retraced till VWAP, that is 1218, and after that we got the target. Okay. So BankNifty, so Nifty was trading on the whole day above VWAP. We will see example from the BankNifty. I have taken 42,500 CE. So this is on 25th April, okay, of the same expiry, 27th April expiry. So we can see that 924 candle, green candle gave a close above VWAP. So we can enter into the long trade above this green candle. The high of this candle is 302, and BankNifty gave a high of, here we can see the high is 358. So in BankNifty you can book like 7 to 8 points as we are doing scalping. Stop loss is low of the green candle, and after that when you see this green candle again retraced to VWAP, so we can enter into the long trade above this, but we got stop loss hit. This is a stop loss trade. Okay, we can see the next day, that is 26th April, this green candle, that is 10-12 candle gave a close above VWAP, so we can enter into the long trade above this green candle. Okay, so our target got achieved as we are doing scalping and booking like 7 to 8 points in BankNifty. And here we got a doji candle at VWAP. So above this green candle we can enter into the long trade. Okay, above this red candle. Okay, we can enter into the long trade. So we can see on 26th April BankNifty was trading above VWAP. Okay, price didn't give a retracement to the VWAP. The next day, that is 27th April, when you see the first 3 minutes candle itself give a close above VWAP, so we can enter into the long trade. Okay. This is my Telegram channel, that is Trader Chitra. So those who are want to join my Telegram channel, they can log in, and this is a free channel. Here I will be posting the Nifty and BankNifty levels for tomorrow. That is daily I will be posting the support and resistance for the next day. So you can use this chart and you can trade. And here also I will share the levels like BankNifty and Nifty levels, major resistance and the major support. Also I will be sharing on everyday analysis. Here I will be sharing my live analysis. So those who are interested can join my Telegram channel. Thank you. Hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon too for my upcoming video notifications. Thank you for watching.